So previously on this channel, I've talked about Max Bounty and how you can use that to make a lot of money without really doing anything. All you needed to do was get a small following on Instagram of like 100 people. And we went through how that would be a really good offer for them for free and how you can make money on the back end. And today I want to talk about something that's a bit similar, but also a bit different. And you could use some of the same strategies, but it's a different platform. And you can also make a ton of money here. Now, I'm not going to guarantee you guys that you're going to make like thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars here. I mean, there are a lot of people here online that claim to be making 6 figures or even 7 figures per month using this method. But what I can say is that you can definitely make some money here. If you have a large enough audience, or if you can get this in front of like a large enough audience, then you can potentially make thousands of dollars every single day. But even if you have just a small following of like 100 or 1,000 people, or if you can get this in front of like 100 to 1,000 people or get highly targeted traffic, then you could be making some good money every single day. And this is kind of like semi-passive, because once you set it up, then afterwards you don't really have to do that much in terms of work. And this is kind of another lazy method of making money online. So let's jump right into it. And actually, before we get there, just a quick reminder, if you guys are new here, my name is Ian, and on this channel I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money. I talk about bank accounts, credit cards, just about everything to do with personal finance. So if you like these videos and you want to keep these free videos coming, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free. It won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on, and that way you never miss any of the future updates of when I post new videos on this channel. Also, if you guys want to talk to me one-on-one about this method of making money or just about anything else, you can message me on Instagram. I'm leaving the link down below to that. And with that said, let's jump back right into how you can start making money today. So the website that you'll be using for this is ClickBank. If you guys already use a CPA network like Max Bounty or something similar, you can actually do CPAs and affiliates with the same traffic and make more money. So for example, on ClickBank, you can go in there and you can get in like the health and fitness niche, and then you could go on like dieting. For example, here is a 14-day rapid soup diet. It says the Superman of keto offers for 2020. So this one may be a bit old, but just for example here, the average conversion here is $20.70, which means that every time you get someone to sign up for this product or purchase this product, this is how much you're going to be making from that sale. Now, the good thing about this is that if you click on it, it actually takes you to a landing page. So for example, you have the link to this. You would promote this, and when people click on the link, they'll be taken to this landing page. Now, this landing page already has all the info. It's telling you what the product is, what it does, how it will help people, and you can actually scroll and get a lot of info here. They even have testimonials of people losing weight from this, and just a lot of info that you don't have to create yourself. And then at the end, they have the offer and how much it actually costs. So usually from ClickBank, you already have like a sales funnel for these affiliate programs, or these affiliate products rather. So you don't really have to do anything. You already have a professional landing page. You have literally everything there. All you need to do is to get people to click on the link, and then that landing page should be enough to convert that click into a sale, and then you'll get paid a commission. Now, I talked about this before, but I'll just recap. So if any of you guys missed that video, what you can do, or an easy way to get free targeted traffic here, is to create an Instagram niche page in a particular niche, right? So for example, you could create a keto weight loss niche page on Instagram, and you don't need a lot of followers. All you need is like 100 to 1,000 followers. Now, if you can get 100 followers that are really interested in the keto diet, then you don't have to convince them to use a product like this, because they'll already be looking for something like this. Or once you create this Instagram niche page and you post content that is related to the keto diet, probably you can post some free recipes or tips and tricks, and then you can build that trust with this audience. But all you need is 100 followers. They're going to then see this product. They're going to come here. The landing page will convert them, and they'll be happy to pay for this product. And this way, you have 100 people signing up for your affiliate program or the ClickBank affiliate program. Now, they're going to purchase this product. You make a commission, you get paid, and the traffic was all free. So you don't have to actually sell any products yourself. You didn't have to create a landing page or a website. And you can start this right now with $0 and 0 cents. And this is one of the easiest ways that you can actually start making money online today. Now, if you've been doing like CPAs or using like Max Bounty, then this is going to be a bit harder. I'll be honest, it's probably much harder than doing CPAs because people actually have to spend some money here. So you may not convert 100% of the clicks that you get on these links. Maybe you can convert like 10% at the minimum, but that should still be enough to make you a lot of money. So for example, if you get 100 people that are really interested in this niche, then you can convert 10 of them here, and the average conversion is $20.70. So this means that you could make around $200 from just having 10 people sign up for this product or this service. This product or service that you didn't create and you didn't spend a lot of time on. So even if you have like a small following, you can still pull this off. And the good thing is that you can keep giving these people free value. So for example, you could give them free tips every single day, or even free meal plans every single day, or recipes every single day, or even motivation on their weight loss journey if that's the niche that you choose. But you could provide them with free value, and then in a couple of weeks you could switch the affiliate program. So you could promote something else. So for example, now you're promoting the 14-day rapid soup diet. The next thing that you could promote maybe a month from now is probably a meal plan that keeps them in keto after they've lost all the weight, and then that could be another affiliate program which could pay you just about the same in commissions, $20.70. And then you keep switching the products, and of course they have to be useful, but you keep switching the products, and this is how you could actually be making a lot more money. Now, the good thing about ClickBank is that you can start for free if you really have no money right now, no money to start. You can actually do this, and even if you don't enjoy it, or if you realize that you're just not making a lot of money with this method, let's say you're only able to have like 10 conversions and you're only making like $200 to $1,000 per month, then you can actually start here. You can take that money that you earn here and you can use it to do something else. But the point is, if you have $0 and 0 cents, just nothing, this is one way that you can actually start making money fairly quickly, and you don't need to do a ton of work here. I think this is one of the easiest and simplest and possibly the laziest way to make money online today. Now, apart from that, there are some other products on ClickBank which are set up a bit different. So for example, you could promote a product that has a recurring bill of, let's say, like $3.89 per month, like this one here. So people could go, they could sign up, then initially you'd make like $30 to $20, and then every single month you get $3.89 per person because they're in some subscription service that they're subscribed to. And again, the landing page here is doing everything, or has everything that you'll ever need. It's gonna get them to click on the link, it should convert them, and the landing page is gonna do all the work for you because these people are already highly motivated and highly interested in whatever you're promoting. So this is not like you just randomly sending this link to random people on the internet who have no interest in keto, for example. You're sending this link to people who are already interested in losing weight, so they're more likely to click on that link and much more likely to purchase these products. So you can make money in two ways here. You can make money from commissions up front, and then you can also earn a monthly income from subscriptions and recurring payments every single month. So I want you guys to comment down below. Let me know if you guys have ever tried ClickBank before, if this is something that you'll try right now. If you already tried ClickBank, I want to know just how much money you were able to make, or what your success was. How much were you able to make, or the most you were able to make in a single week or a single month? And with that said, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like the content. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos on this channel. And remember, if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one about this method of making money, or just about anything else, you can follow me on Instagram. You can message me there. I will respond. And with that said, all the best with making money online, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.